Welcome back to my channel. This is Govardhan. So over here we discuss about the Indian benchmark indices along with the global cues that are present and going around during the day and the previous day, because we have a 12-hour time difference between our markets and theirs. So that's about it, and without any further delay, let's quickly get started and look into what's out for the day. And also to remind, today is a weekly expiry of the first weekly expiry of October. Okay, so let me just quickly pull up Nifty's chart for you. Okay, yeah, so you see this is Nifty daily chart, and basically it's just respecting our levels. The first level that would give a bearish indicator is below 17,450 or 17,250 to be precise. The first bullish signal that you can carry your positions towards long side would be 17,950 or 18,000 levels, like let's say. So those are the initial things, but let's quickly drill down to what happened yesterday. Let me bring up the 5 minutes time frame. So if you see the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that it was a pretty volatile day yesterday. Completely started with a good gap up note, and it never sustained. Honestly, it got rejected thrice on the upside. First two times within first half an hour, and then next in the afternoon around 12:30. So at 12:30, from the test of 17,890 or approximately, I believe 878 was the high, and from there we crashed all the way down to 626. The low was 630. That's approximately 270 odd points dip in Nifty. That's roughly 1.6%, if I'm not wrong. So it was a quite heavy and volatile day yesterday completely. So we need to check about how the day goes today. But the initial support lies around 17,510 with the initial resistance around 17,700. Initial resistance would just be 17,800 odd levels. So again, this is the same level which we saw a couple of days ago, 17,790, which basically forms a good resistance on upside. So, and on the downside 17,500 honestly. So this was a critical range, the 300-point range, but right now I think we're just hovering around this somewhere. Let's quickly take a look into SGX Nifty also and see where we are headed towards in SGX Nifty. Quickly bring up the SGX Nifty chart for you. Okay, so this is SGX Nifty as of now. Take a look into SGX Nifty also. 8:23 AM time, and we are with a heavy gap up now, almost 160 odd points. So we'll be opening around the resistance zone that we spoke about just a minute ago, and it's pretty interesting to look forward about what could happen on this front. So you can see all the global indices are almost up, except DAX is one thing which is negative. Okay, let me quickly pull up the Nifty futures. So DAX is also up, and then Dow futures recovered very well. Nasdaq futures are at 14,887, almost a recovery of 500 odd points yesterday evening. So it's a very good thing on gap up front, and with this gap up, most likely there'll be heavy premiums on the call side also, with a heavy decay on the put side. So we need to be careful if we are doing the derivative trade today for expiry, but nevertheless, let's see how the day goes on. So that's a short note on Nifty chart and SGX Nifty. Let's take a look into OI stats are. So this heavy OI rating present at 17,700, 17,800, 900 and 18,000, but with a heavy gap up that's likely to come. If it sustains, 17,700 call writers will have to cover their positions, followed by 17,800 call writers too. So let's see how the day goes on, with the gap up coming in, and whether it's going to sustain or otherwise. Seeing how the volume sustained yesterday night in US markets, most likely the gap up is to sustain, but we cannot really predict anything on expiry, and it would stay volatile. So let's see how the day goes on with the EPM IV at 17.3 approximately with yesterday's close. So without it, let's quickly take a look into Nifty chart also. Let's see. Nifty says yesterday, along with Nifty, Bank Nifty also took a heavy dip, almost like 600 points, 500 points odd from yesterday's high. So if you see yesterday's high, it was around 38,100 odd, right? Yeah, 38,105. And yesterday's low was approximately 37,452. That's approximately 650 odd points predict from the high, right from 12:30 candle. Yeah, the same candle as Nifty. So you can actually see how big the dip was in BN also, and more or less it's going to follow the path of Nifty today. So that would be something interesting. That would be something to wait and watch. And let's quickly take a look into option chain of BN also, how it is placed. The IV would be a little higher for BN, the volatility. So that's at 22 right now, and 38,000 is heavy call writing. But with 150 odd points gap up on Nifty's front, we would be opening somewhere around roughly 37,800 odd levels, 37,900. So it would be a test for the call writers whether they hold their positions or exit them. So that's an interesting point to wait and watch. So let's see how the day goes on in Bank Nifty also. But if we come to the levels, the first support level lies around 37,000 psychologically, followed by yesterday's low, and then there's 37,300, which if broken would lead to 36,800, 900 odd levels. So these are the levels that we would be looking out at. So 37,300 is a good level resistance. So if that's broken, we would see a dip all the way for another 400 points, 36,900 odd levels. So, but on the upside, if you see 37,750 odd would be the first resistance, followed by 38,000 psychologically, and yesterday's high again to test towards all-time high. So we need to wait and watch about how it behaves. I'll keep you posted if there's anything that comes up along the way. But for now, that's it. Thank you and have a really good day. Safe trading day.